Hey, this is Grant Evans from Ecological. Today we're going to be installing the new 4Runner grill bar overlay. It's a really easy install. It only takes us about 5 minutes to do. First, you want to perform a dry fit. So we're leaving the red backing to the 3M tape intact. And we're just going to slip this over the grill. Now these top edges will tuck underneath that plastic trim right there. And underneath the bar, this edge will tuck right above that sensor.
Next, apply the adhesion promoter.
So now peel back the red backing to all of the 3M tape pieces. We're just going to slip this over the grill. Now these top edges will tuck underneath that plastic trim right there. And underneath the bar, this edge will tuck right above that sensor.
Make sure you apply pressure across the entire bar, but especially here, here, and on either side. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you with your install or helped you decide on using this for your blackout. In addition to the main grill bar, you can also purchase other blackout accessories for your 4Runner on chromestoppers.com or by clicking the link in the description.